If you've held on to rare earth stocks since 2010, you're probably honestly wishing you hadn't. This June's bankruptcy announcement of this U.S. company, Molycorp, the world's biggest non-Chinese rare earths miner, has brought investment worries to a head. Back on April 15, 2011, it hit a record $74.22 a share. Since then, it has imploded, losing 99.8% of its value. Today, one share is worth about 12.5 cents. Now, before I get into the reasons, here's a quick primer about rare earths. There are 17 of them, highlighted here on the periodic table of elements, and while able to be mined, aren't easily or cheaply done so. For example, dysprosium is the metal most in demand, says Alex King, director of the Critical Materials Institute at the Ames lab in Iowa. The element strengthens magnets in hybrid cars and wind turbines. The element neodymium also has similar uses. Terbium there is used in fluorescent lamps and adds the green to white light. Europium there adds the red light. Now back to rare earths fall. China was the main catalyst. The country produces about 90% of all rare earths. In July 2010, though, it cut exports by 72%. Global prices rocketed. Companies and governments then opened more mines while looking for rare earth substitutes and ways to use less. Now, in the past few years, Toyota, for example, made the size of its Prius electric motor smaller, meaning less dysprosium for the magnet inside. Ford redesigned its Fusion hybrid. It now uses half as much dysprosium and no neodymium in its battery. GE's wind turbines use less neodymium than before, too, says the Ames lab. In 2010, the company targeted 80% less use of rare earths overall. Coupled with more supply from new mines from California to Australia and Malaysia, it's led to the bottom falling out in rare earth equities. Beyond Molycorp, and since 2011, Australia's Linus Corp, Greenland Minerals and Arafura, and Canada's Avalon Rare Element Resources and Quest Rare Minerals have lost nearly all their value. For the investor, rare earth's heyday has come and definitely gone.